Today, I'm going to share some beauty habits that might sound a little unconventional. Some of these are old practices, some are backed by some emerging science, and some I learned from my Japanese mom growing up. So let's go through some holistic beauty secrets that actually work. Hi, I'm Dr. Mamina. I'm a board certified dermatologist and I focus on longevity, meaning we're not just treating skin, we're supporting the systems that influence how skin ages. So things I see clinically all the time are breakouts, dullness, redness, premature aging. These aren't just topical issues. So when we talk about holistic beauty, we're really talking about supporting the body so the skin can function better. Let's start with food, specifically slimy foods. My love and interest for slimy foods was definitely instilled in me by my Japanese mother. Things like natto, which is Japanese fermented soybeans. There's also okra, and there's even certain variants of potatoes that contain slimy compounds that can support your gut lining health. And we know that a healthier gut lining means better digestion, less systemic inflammation, which often translates to calmer skin. This isn't trendy. It's like functional nutrition. Now, fermented foods like umeboshi, which is pickled plum, eaten often in Japan. There's amazake, which is like a fermented rice drink. Natto, pickled vegetables. These are rich in probiotics, which also support the gut microbiome. Your gut and skin are deeply connected. When the microbiome is balanced and has a diverse array of microorganisms, the skin tends to be more resilient, less reactive, and clearer over time. Okay, ice rolling. This isn't just a social media trend. My mom was doing this way before it went viral on TikTok. Cold exposure can temporarily reduce inflammation, it constricts blood vessels, can calm redness and puffiness. I always do caution people to not let something really cold sit on your skin for prolonged periods of time. You have to keep it moving. And when used occasionally, it's a great tool, especially for morning puffiness. Now, this is another tip I learned from my mom like 15 years ago. Dry brushing is an ancient practice and theoretically supports circulation, it supports lymphatic movement, and we know that better lymphatic flow helps reduce fluid retention and supports skin detoxification. And I wish we had more studies with this. You know, this isn't something magical, it's just something easy to do. It might feel nice on your skin. I would just say if you dry brush, be gentle. You don't want to irritate your skin further. And I also wouldn't use it if you have eczema prone skin. Now, this one surprises people. Also, another tip I learned from my Japanese mother. Onions, and more so the onion skin, contain this compound called quercetin. So this is a powerful flavonoid. This is an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties, and it can support reducing inflammation internally, and that has a multitude of health benefits, including, of course, healthier skin. Now, we know that breathing can affect your nervous system more than you think. The 4-7-8 breathing technique helps shift your body out of that fight or flight and into rest and repair mode. I learned this technique about 25 years ago. I was in college and I learned it from the father of integrative medicine, Dr. Andrew Weil. And this helps me relax so much and fall asleep faster. And then we know that skin repair is best when your nervous system feels safe. Yes, really. Another tip I learned from my Japanese mother, rounding practices like physical contact with nature can help reduce cortisol levels. Lower cortisol supports better hormone balance, which then supports better skin. Hugging people is also helpful and reduces cortisol and releases a hormone called oxytocin. This is the feel-good bonding hormone. But if you're outside and there are trees everywhere, just hug a tree. It's so easy. Now, when I shared my mom using the Chi machine on social media back in 2020, it went completely viral. She's been using this since the early 1990s. The Chi machine, or aka the swing master, causes these passive figure 8 movements, and it's supposed to help stimulate circulation and relaxation. There was actually one study that looked at the Chi machine and showed that it can help reduce a form of leg swelling called lymphedema. One underrated beauty and wellness tool is EFT tapping, also known as emotional freedom technique. So this involves gentle tapping on specific points on the face and body, which can help calm the nervous system and support vagal regulation. The vagus nerve is responsible for bring us into that rest and repair mode. When your nervous system is more regulated, your body shifts out of chronic stress mode, and that can affect things like your digestion, your sleep, hormone balance, and yes, of course, even skin inflammation and sensitivity. It's a simple, low-effort practice, but helping your body feel safe and regulated is one of the most overlooked foundations of holistic beauty. Another holistic practice I really love, especially from an aesthetic and nervous system standpoint, is ear massage or ear seating. The ear contains multiple acupressure points connected to the nervous system, including pathways linked to the vagus nerve. Just gently massaging the ears or using ear seats can help calm stress signaling in the body. And then from an aesthetic perspective, ear seating can support reduced facial tension, less puffiness or facial swelling, improved circulation and lymphatic flow, and a more relaxed, lifted appearance. So yes, it's deeply relaxing, but it can also subtly support how the face looks by helping the body shift out of this chronic stress mode. I learned about ear massage from my mom, but when it comes to ear seating, I have been loving the ones from Glow by Ava. These are 10 holistic beauty secrets that I love, and I have definitely seen them work. Let me know in the comments which one you're gonna try first. And if you want more tips on holistic beauty and wellness, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be the first to see my content. I will see you in the next video.